Pray. Amen. Amen. Please be seated. Please be seated. This is the gospel. This is the gospel of grace. And the first thing I want to say from the outset is, if we're living under the gospel of grace, which I pray we all are here, please don't be living under the gospel of the law, because we cannot keep the law. But we are children of grace. Grace produces unity, clarity, and joy in the life of the church. Those are the three things we're going to talk about this morning, just like my brother, Pastor Brian, does. He says, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to tell you, then I'm going to tell you, then I'm going to tell you what I told you. And I just love that. But that's it. We're going to talk about unity, we're going to talk about clarity, and we're going to talk about joy. So as I look at the beginning part of this, when the gospel is rightly understood, the church responds with unified conviction, not confusion.